Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this Emma review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Join me as we delve into an honest review of Emma for email marketing, essential viewing before you commit. Find links to Emma's platform in the description below for your convenience. Emma stands out as an email marketing solution crafted specifically with businesses in mind, offering a compelling blend of user-friendliness and sophisticated personalization options. A core strength lies in its sleek and intuitive interface. This design empowers marketers to craft and deploy visually appealing email campaigns without requiring advanced technical expertise. The drag-and-drop editor, combined with a library of pre-built templates, simplifies email customization and ensures consistent brand messaging. What truly sets Emma apart are its advanced segmentation and automation capabilities. You can effortlessly segment your audience based on specific behaviors such as email opens, clicks, and even website activity. This granular control allows for highly targeted campaigns, delivering content that resonates with each individual subscriber. Furthermore, Emma's automation workflows are remarkably intuitive, enabling you to create triggered email sequences that respond to subscriber actions. This feature is invaluable for nurturing leads and guiding them through the sales funnel, ultimately converting them into loyal customers. Emma also provides robust reporting tools, delivering real-time analytics that offer crucial insights into key performance indicators. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, then leverage this data to refine your campaigns and continuously optimize your overall email marketing strategy. For team-based workflows, Emma shines with its collaborative features. Multiple users can seamlessly contribute to campaigns, facilitated by clear approval processes and user permissions. This makes Emma an ideal solution for larger marketing teams requiring streamlined coordination. A noteworthy highlight of Emma is its emphasis on personalized email marketing. With integrated A/B testing and content personalization tools, you can experiment with different email variations and tailor content to resonate with specific audience segments based on their individual preferences. This personalized approach can significantly enhance engagement and drive better overall results. In conclusion, Emma presents a compelling option for businesses that prioritize ease of use, advanced personalization, and seamless collaboration within their email marketing initiatives. It's especially well-suited for mid-sized companies and larger teams that need powerful segmentation and comprehensive reporting capabilities. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more in-depth information on Emma's features and pricing plans.